Looking for the best dash cam to protect your car and record every journey? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you need crystal clear 4K recording, GPS tracking, night vision, or full 360-degree coverage, we've got some amazing options for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's jump right into Number 1. AZDOME M550 Pro. Taking the number 1 spot is the AZDOME M550 Pro. This feature-packed dashcam offers up to 3-channel recording with impressive 4K front video and 2.5K secondary footage. It comes with built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, infrared night vision, a 3.19-inch IPS screen, and 24-hour parking mode. The interior camera with IR illumination makes it especially suitable for Uber, taxi, and rideshare drivers. Pros: high-quality 4K plus 2.5K recording, 3-channel recording support, excellent infrared night vision, built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, reliable parking monitoring, great value for money. Cons: requires careful cable installation. Some advanced features need app setup. Combining excellent video quality, advanced features, and strong overall value, the AZDOME M550 Pro earns our top recommendation and stands out as one of the best dash cams on AliExpress in 2026. Number 2. 4K 360-degree 4-channel dashcam. If maximum visibility is what you need, this 4-channel dashcam delivers. It records in 4K at the front and Full HD from the left, right, and rear cameras, ensuring that almost every angle is covered. The built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi make managing recordings easy, while night vision and loop recording provide added convenience. Pros: 4-camera recording system, excellent 360-degree coverage, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, night vision support, large 3-inch IPS display. Cons: installation takes more time, requires high-capacity memory cards. Drivers who want full protection and comprehensive recording capabilities will appreciate the versatility of this 4-channel setup. Number 3. 4K dual dashcam front and rear. This compact dash camera delivers 4K front recording along with rear camera support. It features built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, loop recording, and 24-hour parking mode. One of its biggest advantages is the use of a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, offering improved durability and better heat resistance. Pros: 4K front recording quality, GPS and Wi-Fi included. Supercapacitor design improves reliability. Compact and discreet installation. Supports parking mode. Cons: rear camera resolution is lower than front. Smaller size means no large display. This model strikes a great balance between price and performance, making it an excellent choice for everyday drivers. Number 4. REDTIGER F77 4K plus 4K dashcam. REDTIGER has become one of the most popular dashcam brands, and the F77 delivers premium features with impressive image quality. Dual 4K front and rear cameras, Sony Star V2 night vision sensor, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control support, loop recording, and parking monitoring. The REDTIGER F77 excels in image clarity, especially during nighttime driving. The Star V2 sensor provides excellent low light performance, and voice control makes operations safer while driving. Pros: 4K recording on both cameras, outstanding night vision, voice commands for hands-free operation, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, premium build quality. Cons: higher price compared to budget models. Voice control may require some setup. For drivers who want premium video quality and advanced features, the REDTIGER F77 is one of the best options available. Number 5. BEPOCAM 4K 4-channel dashcam. The BEPOCAM 4K dashcam is designed for drivers who want maximum coverage. It features 4 cameras to monitor the front, rear, and interior areas of your vehicle, providing almost complete 360-degree protection. 4-channel recording system, 4K front camera, built-in Wi-Fi, WDR technology, night vision support, 24-hour parking monitoring, and interior recording capability. BEPOCAM offers excellent all-around security for rideshare drivers and families. The interior camera is especially useful for taxi and Uber users, while the wide coverage helps capture incidents from every angle. Pros: complete 360-degree coverage, sharp 4K video quality, good night vision performance, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking surveillance mode. Cons: installation can be more complicated, larger storage requirements due to 4 cameras. If you want full vehicle monitoring and interior recording, the BEPOCAM is a great value option. And that's our list of the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress in 2026. Hopefully this video helped you find the perfect dash cam for your car and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest top 5 tech reviews and gadget recommendations. You can find the links to all of these dash cams in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.